So just today, Perplexity has announced the Windows app of its amazing AI platform. So I want to try using this tool and I want to share my thought about this version of Perplexity. I actually don't have any expectation because I do think that this is going to be just Perplexity web, but you can access it via your desktop. So that's my suspicion, but I have no idea what to expect. I actually saw the announcement on Discord, but they don't specify anything other than just say you can access all the models right from your desktop, which is very generic term. So if you want to download this, you can go to this URL, perplexity.ai/platforms, or you can also just click on the download button right here and it will bring you to this menu and you can select the platform that you're using. So I'm gonna go with my computer, which is a Windows PC, and let's see what this application look like. Okay, it's still downloading and I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to fast forward until I finish downloading this application, but I'll be back. Okay, the file has been downloaded and this is the setup. It's only 78 megabytes, so it's not exactly big, but also not small. So I'm going to install it on my computer and let's see what the installation look like. Okay, it's a typical Windows Wizard installation process. I'm kind of wondering why they don't just release the app via Microsoft Web Store. I think that's a lot safer, and also I think it's kind of the future of web application or Windows application in general. All right, so this is the application, and yeah, as it's exactly as I suspect. It is almost like the desktop, sorry, the web version that is being carried to the desktop. So I don't think it is anything crazy. But anyway, I'm going to log in to my account, and I'll be back once I log into my account. Okay, this is the code and I'm going to log in to my Perplexity account. Okay, so yeah, it is exactly like the web version. So yeah, it's not anything new, but it is possible to use a shortcut. I think it was Control and I, and then you can bring Perplexity anytime you like. So I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut Control and I. And I have this tiny window where I can chat with Perplexity. So what is the latest, let's say, Microsoft news today? Okay, it will bring back the regular window. And for some reason, I don't see the thread at all. It's just nothing here. So that's very interesting. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm kind of curious, but why it just doesn't show me the thread. It's just only showing me the homepage, but not showing me the answer. So I guess that's something that they need to fix. And yeah, it is exactly the desktop version, sorry, the web version. And maybe the only benefit is that you can ask Perplexity anytime you like. But other than that, I don't see there is anything that is special on this application. But maybe there are some use cases where makes sense to actually have access to Perplexity immediately. So I want to close this, and I'm kind of wondering if I can actually still open it using the Control and I shortcut. Well, I can still open it, so that means the application is running in the background. So you can ask Perplexity via this window, and I think that's very interesting. Now, I'm kind of wondering if it is actually aware about what's going on my screen. So I'm going to press Control and I again, and I want to ask what is on my screen. Okay, I don't think it is seeing anything. I'm unable to see or access your screen directly. So it is not able to see the screen, but it's okay because we can still take a screenshot and then send the screenshot to Perplexity. And fortunately, in Windows, it is actually not difficult to take a screenshot using a keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut that you need to use is Windows, Shift, and then S. So I'm going to press that, Windows, Shift, and then S. So that's the shortcut to take a screenshot. Now I can, take a screenshot right here and I could ask Perplexity like, where is this location? So let's go back to Perplexity. I'm going to press Ctrl and I, and I'm going to press Ctrl and V to paste the screenshot that I have taken. You can see that it is being uploaded right here. There is a loading icon, which means that it is uploading the file. You see, it is exactly the screenshot that I took earlier. Okay, I'm going to ask Perplexity, where is this location? And I think it is possible to use other AI models, like you can use GPT, Cloud, Gemini, Grok, and of course the other reasoning models. But in the end, it will always bring you back to this desktop application, which is basically just a web that is pretended to be a desktop application, which is fine, I guess. You can still have access to Perplexity very quickly, but yeah, it's not very special. Oh, maybe there is one thing that's unique, which is this. I just noticed this icon, which is a dictation. So now I can communicate with Perplexity with my voice. Okay, I want to try that. Okay, how to get there? Wow. Okay, that's really amazing. It's very useful, so I can talk to Perplexity without having to type the text manually. I don't have to prompt with regular text. I can use my voice. But I think it was dictation. It wasn't the voice mode like the Perplexity mobile app where you can talk to AI normally like having a conversation. But this is just a regular dictation. This is not in the same way as in the mobile application, which is quite disappointing. I thought we are going to get that feature right here, but well, I guess we have to wait because right now it is exclusive to the mobile user. But at least we can talk to Perplexity with voice without having to manually typing the prompt. So I will try again. What is the latest AI news today? Okay, so how do I stop that? Yeah, that's just a dictation. It's not a voice mode. I guess it is okay. So I think that's basically it. I don't see any other features or exclusive things that we have in the desktop application. It is again just like the web application, but it is being wrapped into a desktop application. But I'm hoping that they're going to include more features in the future. But anyway, I hope you find this video to be useful. And if you want to see more tutorials about AI and especially Perplexity, consider subscribing to this channel because I'm going to be making more videos about this platform. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you around.